face it, being a student is expensive, and pining on some budgeting methods might not be enough because you are missing the root cause, how to actually optimize your daily expense. I have lived alone in 3 cities in the past 5 years until now, and here are my 5 budgeting tips if you are living alone like me.
Alright, so the best timing to do your shopping is in early mornings or right before closing. That's when the discounts hit.
Think about the food you will actually cook with or something you can freeze. I always have frozen berries and bread in my fridge because I want to have that fulfilling breakfast every day.
The good stuff goes fast, so don't hoard.
So everyone knows that cooking saves much more money than ordering takeaways. But you know what is the barrier to the people who are living and eating alone? That is, with one tray of meat or one bag of vegetables, they will have to eat it for 2 or 3 meals consecutively. So that is why I like to do a little bit of a meal plan like this. So I just usually take notes on my apps about what currently is in my fridge and what I would need in order to make out of the cravings that I have been wanting for the whole week.
Welcome to my food journal, which is first published in this very video. Every week I record my creative chef persona. My philosophy: cook smart, not fancy. I usually put everything in the air fryer at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Chicken, veggies, tofu, whatever you found on sale. Once that's cooked, let it chill a little bit. Remember, frozen carbs can still taste good, but meat and veggies should only be stored chilled for the best taste. And that is how I survive on only 15 pounds per week of grocery. Transport tip: grab your student bus pass through the EOB portal. It's discounted and worth it if you commute a lot. And keep your student ID on you when you ride. If you cannot show it, National Express West Midlands can issue a £50 standard fare charge on the spot.
And the final tip is to register for uni days and student beans and essentially any loyalty programs that offer student discount. And always remember to bring this very powerful card with you. A lot of places offer student discounts. And when I actually received my student ID for the first time, I registered for uni day and got this new MacBook with 30% off from the original price. So it is a pretty good deal if you spend time searching for the deals on the app. For more student hacks, check out our YouTube and other social media. They have got all the insider tips. Remember to subscribe for more amazing content is coming.